A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to your social studies class. I'm your social studies teacher Alvina Gill. So, in our last two videos, we have discussed the different topics of chapter 3rd. Explanation was given about the different topics. So now, in this video, we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter 3rd. So, I request you all to open your social studies book and your notebook and understand and complete your work. So, the exercises are MCQs, multiple choice question, true false, fill in the blanks, match the following, and question answers. So, let's start. Multiple choice questions. Choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. Number 1 is almanac is. Options are fortnightly calendar, half-yearly calendar, and annual calendar. So the correct answer is C option, an annual calendar. So almanac is an annual calendar. Second one, the Gregorian calendar was introduced in. Options are AD 1582, AD 1682, AD 1782. So the correct answer is AD 1582. The Gregorian calendar was introduced in AD 1582. Third one, in a leap year, the month of February has. Options are 30 days, 29 days, 28 days. So the correct answer is 29 days. In a leap year, the month of February has 29 days. Moving on to the fourth one. The Saka calendar is the national calendar of. Options are Britain, China, India. The correct answer is India. The Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. Now, the options correct were, once again I will repeat, annual calendar, AD 1582, 29 days, and India. Moving on to the next exercise, we have read the following statements carefully and mark tick on the true and wrong on the false one. So, let's start. The Gregorian calendar is a modification of solar calendar. This statement is false. This is wrong. Why? Because the Gregorian calendar is a modification of the Julian calendar, not the Saka calendar. So that's why the statement is false. The 29th day of the February is known as the leap day. Yes, this is true. We will put a tick. Third one, the Saka calendar was adopted from 22nd March 1957. So, this is also true. So, we will put a tick. The month of Pusa has 31 days. This is wrong statements. It has 30 days, not 31 days. So, this is false. So, first one is false. Second one is true. Third one is true. Fourth one is false. Moving on to the next one, we have fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the help box. So here words are given: Meghnad Saha, Pop Gregory 13, National Calendar 366. So we will use these words and fill in the blanks. Number 1, we have the Gregorian calendar was introduced by dash. The answer is Pop Gregory 13. The Gregorian calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory 13. Second one, a leap year has dash days. The answer is 366 days. So, the leap year has 366 days. The Calendar Reform Committee was headed by Dash. The answer is Meghnad Saha. The Calendar Reform Committee was headed by Meghnad Saha. Fourth one, the Saka calendar is the Dash calendar of India. The answer is National Calendar. The Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. So the answer is, first one is Pope Gregory 13, 366 days, Meghnad Saha, and National Calendar of India. Hope you all have written. Moving on to the next exercise we have. Correctly match column A with column B. So column A options are the Gregorian calendar. A leap year comes after every. The Saka calendar is the Saka era starts its year 0. So we have the Gregorian calendar, D option, AD 1582. Second one, a leap year comes after every 4 years, A option. The Saka calendar is a lunisolar calendar, B option. The Saka era starts its year 0 in the year AD 78, C option. So we have first one D, second one A, third one B, fourth one C. So when we talk about the column B, the numbers will be written like as 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now moving on to the next part, we have question answers. So answer the following questions. Number 1 is differentiate between the Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar. The difference between the Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar are: the Gregorian calendar is a solar calendar, the Saka calendar is a lunisolar calendar. It is globally the most widely used civil calendar. It is the national calendar of India. It is also used beyond India's borders. January is the first month of the year. Chaitra is the first month of the year. February has 29 days during the leap year. Chaitra has 31 days during the leap year. Okay. Once again, this is solar calendar. Saka is a lunisolar. It is globally used. It is the national calendar of India, even used beyond India's borders. January is the first month. Chaitra is the first month. February has 29 days in leap year. Chaitra has 31 days during the leap year. So these are the differences which you have to write down in your notebook. Now question number 2, explain the terms AD, BC and BP. AD stands for the two Latin words Anno Domini, that means in the year of our Lord. All the dates or years after the birth of Jesus Christ are expressed in AD. Now BC, it stands for before Christ. All the dates before the birth of Jesus Christ are expressed in BC. BP, it means before present. It is used to denote past events. Now moving on to the third question we have, when was the Gregorian calendar introduced and by whom? The Gregorian calendar was introduced in AD 1582 by Pope Gregory 13. So this calendar was introduced in AD 1582 and by the Pope Gregory 13. What is a leap year? A year that comes after every 4 years is called leap year. It had 366 days. Okay, leap year that comes after every 4 years is called the leap year, and it has 366 days. So class, do the exercises in books and question answers in your notebook. Please do in a neat and clean handwriting. Understand and then do. So class, thank you. Have a nice day. And please be safe, stay at home and be healthy. And most important thing, keep studying. Have a nice day, my dear students. Thank you for listening.